How to use your LG soundbar with your mobile. Turn on your LG soundbar by pressing the power button. Press the Bluetooth button on your soundbar. Once activated, you will see an indication, depending on your model. On your mobile phone, select Bluetooth on your settings menu. Select and connect to your soundbar. Your phone and LG soundbar will now be connected to play your favorite music. To enjoy the full functionality of your LG soundbar, use our Soundbar mobile app for more control over features and sound effects.